Hey guys, we're on section 1.1b now, and what we're going to do is compare and contrast inductive and deductive reasoning. So today's goal, real quickly, we're going to make sure we explain the difference between inductive, which we talked about last time. Remember, inductive is a pattern, and deductive reasoning, we'll talk about what that is. And then quickly talk about using deductive reasoning to make a conjecture. Now this gets a little bit difficult, and you really won't need to do that on the test, but we'll briefly explain it. Alright, first, deductive reasoning is a process of reasoning that arrives at a conclusion based on previously accepted statements. So what we're doing, deductive reasoning, I always like to think of as rules. There are rules that we know of, and we're making a conclusion based off of those rules. It's not a pattern we discovered ourselves. It's a rule that has been stated or that we know of, and we're going to follow. Okay, try not to read ahead, but let's look at this. Determine whether the type of reasoning used is inductive or deductive. The last 6 times we played our arch rival in football, we won. I know we're going to win this Sunday. So think about it. Well, that is inductive reasoning. It's a reasoning because based on the last 6 times, we can conclude that. There's no rule that says every single time we play, we beat our arch rival. So it's a pattern. The last 6 times we won, so we went win, 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 win. We can assume the next one's going to be a win. We're following a pattern. There's no rule. Deductive reasoning is rules. Okay, this next one, determine whether the type of reasoning used is inductive or deductive. The syllabus states that any final average between 80 and 90% will result in a B. If I get a 78 on my final, and my overall average is an 80.1%, so I will get a B. This is deductive reasoning because there's a rule. Here's the rule. Between 80 and 90% will get a B. He didn't know that from trial and error. There's a rule. The teacher stated this is what's going to happen if you get that. So because he got that, he's following the rule. That's a deductive reasoning. So inductive is a pattern. Deductive is rules. Hopefully that will help you out. That's what tonight's homework is. You'll be reading a lot of different types of scenarios and determining if they are inductive or deductive.